Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to prevent Google Share Drive download. Let's get started. So after seeing this video, you will now be able to disable download on Google Drive. Alright, first of all, let's just open up the Google Drive for real quick, and then after that we can see here is a folder. We can't disable the downloads of the folder right away. We can just simply disable individual files like this one. This is an individual video, so I can disable the download for this individual video. So if you want every video to be not downloaded, so what you can do, you can simply just go individually and disable the downloads option. So how you can disable the download option is very simple. Right click on your mouse to select the folder, then you need to tap on the share, and from here again share button, just tap on that, and from here you will see a gear option which is settings. You need to tap on this gear icon right over here, and from here you need to unselect both of them, and now you are good to go. So let's see if actually works or not. So let's just copy the file link and let's just open another private window to check if this works or not. So let's just run the video real quick, and as you can see we got the video, but there is no download option right over here. So I think this video will help you out in many ways. So if yes, please leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.